All the time I get questions from homeowners about how to clean your gutters. The best way to clean your gutters is to have Weatherguard clean your gutters. You don't want to get home from work, pull out a ladder, climb around up there, trying to clean your gutters when for a few $100 you can have a professionally certified technician come out, clean your gutters, and give you an update on the life expectancy left in those gutters. The easy call to make is call Weatherguard. It's important to maintain any gutter system with proper maintenance. That may mean cleaning it one time a year, that may mean as many as 3 times a year. Another option you can look at is a leaf protection system, which can definitely cut back on the amount of maintenance needed. If you don't maintain your gutters, it can end up costing you a lot of money in the long run. Everything from discolored fascia boards and damaged garage doors to serious issues with your foundation. The best thing to do is to maintain those gutters at least once or twice a year. When it comes to your home gutter maintenance, don't risk your safety. Call Weatherguard Gutters.